they impressed everybody with their talent and looks in the pre-finals of Super Serena. A select panel of judges was given the difficult task to choose the Super 7 who will compete in today's grand finals. The members of the board of judges were Director par excellence, Bert De Leon, Beauty Queen and Itbulaga host, Christine Florendo, Go Bingo host and talented comedian and singer, Arnel Ignacio, Star Builder, Astera Moyo, brilliant actor and stage director, Bernardo Bernardo. All of the 11 Super Serena candidates gave their brilliant answers in question and answer portion.
Para po sa akin, talagang mahalaga po ang dignidad. Dahil ito po ay yung, para po sa akin, ito po yung ugaling kahit sino man hindi po mananakaw.
Kung ako po ay magiging isang representative sa Congress, ang batas po na aking ipatutupad para sa kapakanan ng mga taong nabibilang sa third sex ay ang batas na nauukol tungkol sa employment. Nagiging issue po ang sexualidad at hindi po ang kanilang competence at ang kanilang galing.
Definitely, I am in favor of the death penalty. Punishing a person by killing, or it's not a matter of revenge, but it is a matter of justice. Justice that should be implemented in our country. For I've always believed that justice delayed is justice denied. That's all. Thank you.
Well, I think that would be the education that I have attained. Having finished my high school education, and now that I'm taking up my college education, I'm trying to pursue with that education, and that I think would be the greatest achievement that I would have in my life.
Bukod po sa itsura, sa tingin ko po ugali, katawan, at saka pananamit. Kasi po, makikita po natin sa kanyang damit, ang kanyang ugali, ang kanyang katawan.
Ang masasabi ko lang po na pwede kong ibigay sa kanila, na pwede kong magawa, ay ang entertaining ko sila pag pumunta sila rito. Then, actually, I can speak how many languages do I know? I think 4 languages. I think I can do that.
If I would be considered to be a scientist, for me, the only thing that I wanted to invent is a machine wherein you have to go inside it, and when you go out, you are a male, you will understand the third sex belonging to the lesbian and to the homosexual.
Maging law-abiding na lang po ako, yun lang po ang maibigay ko sa amin.
Hindi nila alam na napaka-importante ng salitang respeto sa isang tao. Maraming tao ngayon dito, maganda sila at matalino, ngunit wala silang respeto sa sarili nila.
If all these problems will be resolved through the elimination of graft and corruption, I would definitely believe that our country will prosper and will be a newly industrialized country in the coming of the new millennium.
Maraming trials na hindi na iresolba ng mga tao noon. So gusto kong ma-feeling yon para pagdating ng future, maka-achieve ako sa dapat kong mai-achieve sa future. Thank you.
And now, here are our Super Serena finalists for the announcement of Super 7.
It's really remarkable that we were able to find these exceptional individuals.
Totoo ka. Ito na ngayon, mga kaibigan, yung 7 na mapapasama sa Grand Finals ng ating Super Serena 98. Umpisahan mo na, Kiko. Okay. Pintahan na natin. Okay.
Grand Finalist number 1.
Ito ay walang particular order.
Hindi pa si number 1. Sorry.
Number 1. Kaya nga, walang order to, ha. Ang ibig niya sabihin yung una.
Yung unang pasok sa Super 7.
Oh, ganun, ha.
Okay, I'm sorry. Grand Finalist number 3, Michelle De La Cruz. Michelle Aldana.
Okay. Kita mo naman, ang titindi niyan. Yung sumunod na mapapasama sa Grand Finals ay si Yari Dayanara Torres, Sandy May, Monte Carlo. Yan, puntahan natin.
Okay, ang third natin sa ating Super 7 for the Grand Finals. Grand Finalist number 2, Michelle Van Imeren, Patricia Monte Carlo.
Tatlo na. Okay. Bukas na ho namin na-announce yung iba. Kaya huwag kayong aalis sa kinakatayuan nyo. Okay. Ang sumunod na pumasok sa Grand Finals natin, sa Super 7, ay Grand Finalist number Torres uli. Number 4, Jairon Pereira, Lucy Torres. Ilan? Tatlo pa?
Oo, tatlo pa.
Tatlo pa. Okay.
Eto, matindi to. Our fifth to make it to the Super 7 Grand Finalist number 11, Samuel Dodson Tetchi Agbayani.
Dalawa na lang, mga darling. Dalawa na lang. Ang sumunod na kasama sa Super 7 ay Miss Mickey Ferriols, Benny Mariano. Mickey Ferriols. Ayan na, Kiko. Ikaw na yan. Bahala dyan.
At ang pinakahuli to complete the Super 7 of our Super Serenas Grand Finalist number. Tinitignan ko yung mga mukha nila, kinakabahan. Number 5, Bernadette Allison, Yan Yan Bautista.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Super 7. And we would like to thank the rest of the girls. At maraming salamat.
You're all beautiful, talented, and exceptional individuals. Congratulations.
Yan, for being part of the show, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po tayo with the grandest finals of the Super Serena 1998.